This Boeing executes an exceptionally steep takeoff and ascent as part of a demonstration. During the scrapping process, the right wing of this Airbus is detached. This Cessna executes a low pass at high speed, skimming extremely close to the ground. During a minimum unstick speed test, this aircraft intentionally experiences a tail strike. After a smooth landing, this Airbus experiences a blowout in the main landing gear tire. In cold temperatures, this Boeing generates an extensive amount of smoke while starting its engines. This is the visual representation of an emergency slide deployment on an Airbus. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more videos, and let me know what you want to see next.